Welcome back to the channel. Welcome home. Boom chicka pop. This is what we're talking about today. Where I get all these lovely brass fittings and these copper heating radiators. They come out of these. This is a tankless water heater unit. Okay? Brass fitting still on it. I've already pre-took off the cover for you. Luxurious fittings and the copper. Got some cast in there. And we're going to tear one of these apart today to see what kind of scrap value you can get out of one of these. Now, these copper radiators, they come in different sizes. So this one being the smallest, and of course this one being bigger, I smashed it down. So there's couple different sizes actually. Well, we like these goodies here too, right? These are easy to pop off. And these come on there. Matter of fact, that one's right there. I've already loosened it up because I want my brass goodies in my bucket. The bucket's getting heavy, guys. I almost can't lift it. Heck, when I put these in a tote, I almost can't lift it. We're piling this stuff up. We want a big turn in, and we're inviting y'all to go right along with us. Let's tear this thing apart. Let's do that right now. close. Not that bad off. Don't know what I'm out. don't like that. Let's hit some zeros. There we go. Okay, let's weigh this radiator. Now on these, they do have metal around the edges. Don't know about your yard. You need to talk with them about what you got to do. Take those off or not. I don't. So we're at a whopping 9.6 on number 2. Sure, I can clean more and make more number 1, but I don't. There you go. We'll add that to the number 1 bucket. I chucked a piece in there earlier. I shouldn't have. So almost a pound of number 1 out of that. I hit these zeros. The scale gets a little touchy. Let's add this brass up here. Almost 5 pounds, almost. But it goes to the big ass brass bucket. We're gonna have to make room in that bucket. I got a bunch more to do. So, is it worth it? Scrapping out one of those tankless water heaters? Hell to the yeah, friends. It sure is. It doesn't take long. You see me pop one of these off. This is either going to be aluminum or sheet. I forget which one. I mean, aluminum or stainless. I still got these valves to clean up. They won't take but a minute. I'm pretty much scrapped out of everything. I got these aluminum things to do. These guys here, Dan will be happy about this. I do pop every one of these off, bust them up, and I put them in my number 2 bucket of stranded. I don't know if you can see in there or not, but they're in there somewhere. I got the crap Grow Pro going today, and I'll clean my cast aluminum up. There's plenty of it there. So we got 2 more of those to do, and I got that bucket to take in eventually. I don't know when. We'll find out shortly. So a little bonus footage here. Cut all these. I messed up on this one. It's alright. We'll make it happen either way, I think. There you go. 10 shred. Stainless, if you have a stainless bucket. Brass ends. Oops. That wasn't hard, was it? Let's do one more from the start. Stainless, brass, copper, not even hitting hard. I just don't want to chase it today. I smack them one good one and roll out. Since this is copper number 2, my place don't bitch about that little bit of tape. But yeah, you do about, 100 of those or so. Boom. It's about getting every bit you can. This is micro scrapping on a whole nother level right here. Sometimes a plastic piece wants to fight you. Just work with it. and shatters. One more time, because I'm having a good time. Hope you're having a good time too. Daggone pliers are slipping. Time for some new tools. Hopefully we get this stimulus check like everybody else. No word yet. Nothing available. Blah, blah, blah. This is my stimulus check, y'all. This is how I stimulate myself. I'm gonna get paid regardless. Stainless. Got my little dinky brass piece, because I'm like that. Watch this. This is funny. Oh no! I have too much fun. Oh shit. Just beat it. Right, Ian? Just beat it. There you have it. Copper number 2. This bucket's about 10 pound now. We're shooting for big numbers this time, guys. Just to let you know.